Squishmallows are popular plushies that have become a sensation on the internet. If your squishmallow gets dirty, there are a few ways to clean it. First, place it in a mesh bag or zippered pillowcase to prevent snagging in the washing machine. Then, wash it on a delicate cycle with low sudsing detergent in cool water, avoiding warm or hot water. Skip the fabric softeners and use 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent and distilled white vinegar for the rinse cycle. Let your squishmallow air dry in a cool, dry, or sunny place. Avoid putting it in the dryer or using a hair dryer, since excess heat could melt your squishmallow. For spot cleaning, blot stains with a damp cloth and avoid rubbing. Use wet wipes for a quick wash and stain remover pens for stubborn stains. Remember, the faster you treat a stain, the better the results.